The complexity of mapping the brain. Mapping the entire human brain is one of the most ambitious scientific projects. The brain contains around 86 billion neurons, each forming thousands of connections. Understanding this complex network, known as the connectome, is essential for unlocking the secrets of consciousness, memory, and mental disorders. What is brain mapping? Brain mapping involves creating a detailed map of the brain's structure and functions. Researchers use advanced imaging technologies like MRI and fMRI to study the brain's activity and connectivity. The goal is to map every neural connection, which could lead to breakthroughs in neuroscience and medicine. Current progress in brain mapping. Significant progress has been made in brain mapping, particularly with smaller organisms. Scientists have successfully mapped the entire connectome of a worm and are working on mice brains. For humans, large-scale projects like the Human Connectome Project are mapping the brain's major pathways, though we are far from complete. The challenges of mapping the human brain. Mapping the human brain is incredibly challenging due to its complexity and scale. The sheer number of neurons and connections makes it difficult to achieve a complete map. Additionally, the dynamic nature of the brain, constantly changing as we learn and grow, adds another layer of complexity to the task. Technological advances in brain mapping. Advances in technology, such as high-resolution imaging and artificial intelligence, are accelerating brain mapping efforts. AI can analyze massive datasets and identify patterns in neural connections, helping scientists understand how different parts of the brain communicate. These technologies bring us closer to fully mapping the human brain. Potential applications of brain mapping. A fully mapped brain could revolutionize medicine and technology. It could help scientists better understand neurological diseases like Alzheimer's, autism, and schizophrenia. Additionally, brain mapping could lead to advancements in brain-computer interfaces, opening up new possibilities in AI, prosthetics, and human enhancement. Ethical concerns in brain mapping. As with any major scientific endeavor, brain mapping raises ethical concerns. Understanding the brain's inner workings could lead to questions about privacy, free will, and manipulation. How this knowledge is used, whether for medical purposes or more controversial applications, will be a key ethical consideration moving forward. How brain mapping could change neuroscience. Fully mapping the brain would transform neuroscience. It would provide insights into how memories are stored, how emotions are processed, and how different regions of the brain work together. These discoveries could fundamentally change our understanding of human cognition and behavior. Government and private sector involvement. Governments and private organizations are investing heavily in brain mapping research. Large-scale initiatives like the U.S. Brain Initiative and the European Human Brain Project are spearheading efforts to accelerate progress. Collaboration between public and private sectors is essential for overcoming the technical and financial challenges of brain mapping. Conclusion. A long road ahead. While we've made significant progress in understanding the brain, we are still far from fully mapping it. Technological advances and large-scale initiatives offer hope, but the complexity of the human brain means that a complete map may take decades or longer. Nevertheless, each step forward brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of the mind.